Karen's management reached out to us, and we spoke in detail regarding this project, Lux Prima, and they wanted an all-immersive solution. They wanted spatial sound, they wanted movement, they wanted rumbling, they wanted to feel the audio, and they were looking for somebody that had that solution. We realized that this was something very special and very unique. What we needed to do was to make all the speakers disappear, and we needed to engulf the listener in an audio experience unlike anything that has been done in recent time.
No eyes open, no eyes closed.
What we're doing is we're taking liberties with the elements of the songs from the record. And Danger Mouse and his team have provided me with all of the geological layers separate. And what's wonderful having all those elements separate is that we can then place them in the sound field around the audience. And what we're attempting to do is to create sort of an immersive experience with the sound. What we're trying to do is make it feel like we are part of the music and part of the experience.
This experience presented a lot of challenges. Everything had to come from the rock. It was a multi-sensory experience. Everybody was going to be sitting down. Everybody was going to be listening and experiencing the soundtrack for Lux Prima as a group. And that's when we included the VLFCs, because Danger and Karen really wanted to feel it. And so we needed to find a solution for that. Also, we needed to make sure that there was a good acoustical spread around the base of the rock so that Karen's voice came out and was the centerpiece of Lux Prima. And we worked really hard on coming up with that solution. And with regards to speaker placement around the base of the rock, and it really helped make the rock the focal point of the experience.
Their speakers are very musical, and they also have the ability to become very loud without it being painful. They're very sort of emotional, particularly in the low frequencies, and a lot of this music is produced with beautiful sort of layers of frequency. So Karen's voice is this beautiful mid-range, silky sound, and then these beautiful percussive sounds like bells and cymbals, and then keyboards and strings, and then down at the bottom, though, the drums, there's the bass guitar. And for those moments where you want to have that sort of soulful feeling in your chest, those speakers are really great because it makes you feel the music, literally you feel it with your body.
The technical solution for that was a omnidirectional low-end sub-design by Bob McCarthy that had 3 VLFCs in the middle with 6 900 LFCs. And that provided good low-end impact that radiated equally with no lobes throughout the entire Marciano Art Foundation. For the vocal and everything else, it was finished off by a series of UPQs that were placed strategically in a LCR design dictated by Ren Kleiss. So we had a good center channel of 2 UPQs to be able to really get that vocal and spread it out. And then we had a left and right UPQ on all 3 sides of the triangle.
In terms of low frequencies, the Meyer's VLFC speaker, unlike the other subwoofers, which only go down to 40, 30 hertz, this goes down very low. And so what's great with how we've been utilizing it with the sound design is that, for example, Barnaby wanted to have, during the song Woman, a storm arrive. And so the concept is thunder and rain and all these sounds. And so he wanted that to be a visceral experience for the audience. And so using the VLFC and being able to put these deep sounds into it and have it shake the room makes it feel like you're actually in a storm, which is really fun.
Meyer Sound works with artists and works with artist management in a way that we sit there and we listen and we try to understand what their full artistic vision is, and then we're able to provide a solution. It was a truly a multi-sensory experience by the creative team and all the hard work that they had done. It really made you forget where you're at for 40 minutes.